Hey guys! Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Pete, and today I'm going to ZEROBASEONE this 4th mini album Pada 𝐐𝐴 Remake Special Summer Video 2. I kind of find Special Summer Video 1 like are there two of them? Like, why is this one video 2 but like I cannot find the video 1? But yeah, this is one of the track. I don't even know what this is. This might be like the trailer video, but this song is in the album. It's a remake of an old song which I don't know, by the way. It's Pada. Yeah, have no idea what this is actually. Might be trailer, might be like a snippet of this song, or like some kind of like pre-release, because it doesn't say here that it is like a trailer or teaser video. So are we gonna get to hear this song already? Like I don't know, I'm just so excited for this. Let's check this out. Pada 𝐐𝐴 remake. Ooh, a first remake song from them. Super excited. 𝐿𝐁𝟏. Hey, wait, we're getting who is naked? Wait, who is naked right there? Oh, it's you. Oh my god. Of course. We are getting a song. We're getting a song. We're getting a song. We're getting a song. Okay. Oh my god, I am not prepared for this. Okay. Hey. I need to listen to the original song. Oh no. Summer. Whoa. This song is so good already. Pada voice. Ooh, Hanbin. This is so cute. Oh, this is so cute. I love this art style, by the way. This is so cute. A cute summer song. A cute summer song. A cute summer song. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is all I want. A cute summer song is like one of my most favorite genre. Oh my god. Wait, are there anything more? Ah, okay. Oh my god. This is like the first time that they have done this sound, right? Because Feel the Pop is not that summer, and Sweat is not that cute. You know what I mean, right? Sweat is like you know, sexy summer song. Oh my god, one more time. This is so cute. I am so happy right now that we get to hear this kind of sound from ZEROBASEONE. Like, so far they have done so many concepts, so many sound since debut. Like, not even one comeback have the same vibe as another. I feel like this one is going to be, oh my god, this one is going to be one of my favorite album of all time, because like from the teaser, from everything that I've seen so far, like I've made such a high standard. Like I'm looking forward for this album a lot, and like my standard is pretty high, really. Like the way that Break One have done everything so perfectly so far, like oh my god. And this Pada, so cute. Hey, hey. Oh my god, oh my god, I love June voice right here. Oh. Hey. Hey. Oh my god, I love his voice. Hey. Hey, that is so cute. Ooh. Hey. Look at him. He's mad. I love this vibe. Hey. Oh, this song is so road trip to the beach. Like, oh my god, a summer road trip to the beach, having an ice cream along the way, like sticking your head out of the car to get the wind breeze. This song is giving me that. Oh. Oh my god, this song feels so good. Like such a feel good song. A relax and feel good song. I love this also. The dun 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 dun. Wow, 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 wow. I cannot find a special summer video one. I mean, this feels like the beginning of the song until the chorus, right? So this is like a snippet of the song, so it's not the whole song, right? I hope so, right? Because I want more of this. There's no way this is the whole song. Let me check again, like on the channel, cause I saw, like, I only saw this like 𝐑𝐞𝐦𝐚 edit. Like, what it is? What is this? Hey. Oh, this is just like the TikTok version, right? What about the other one? Summer log edit. Same thing. They are so cute in this video. Wait, where is this? This look like LA. I think they filmed this in LA, right? Yeah, this look like LA. Like when they went to KCON LA. Does LA have beach? Of course they have beach. What question is that? Yeah, oh my god, so good. So good already. Well, I have such a high hope for this album. Man, I'm going to die when they release the like track spoiler, like medley, spoiler medley. But like, man, from these two trailer alone, like it's such a different such a different concept, like from the bad film and like from this, like it's very different. I feel like this song could fit well in the album before this. Like You Had Me at Hello, it would be a perfect song with Sweat, you know. But I mean, there's a lot more songs from this album, so I don't know what kind of concept is the other song. I'm just actually so excited for this, man. But yeah, when they release another teaser, I will be right on time. This time I am late. I am a day late, cause I mean yesterday when they released this, I was sleeping. Like I was so tired yesterday, so yeah, I was sleeping before they released this. So yeah, but next time I will make sure to like react to the video, to the teaser as fast as I can, like, cause you know, I love it. But yeah, see you next video for, for ZEROBASEONE catch up tomorrow. Bye bye.